Good morning, students. Today I am here with a test lecture of chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Let us see instructions related to this test. This test is of 25 marks. It consists of 12 questions. Question paper is divided into 4 sections: Section A, Section B, Section C and Section D. And duration of the test is 60 minutes. So these are the instructions regarding the test. Now let us see the questions. Section A, as it has been already told, that it consists of 1 mark questions. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these are 1 mark questions. MCQs, for MCQs you can directly write the answers, but rest of the questions are supposed to be solved properly with complete steps. This is section B, consisting of 2 marks questions. So question number 6, 7 and 8, these are of 2 marks each. Section C, 3 marks each. Section C consists of 3 marks questions. Question number 9 and question number 10, these are of 3 marks. And this is the last section, that is section D, consisting of 4 marks questions. So question number 11 and 12, these are of 4 marks. Question number 11 has 3 parts. Firstly, you are supposed to solve the given expression and then find the value of the given expression for these 3 different values. First of all, you are supposed to solve it and then find the value for these 3 different values of x after putting into the expression. And likewise, question number 12 has 2 parts, 2 marks each. And in this question number 12, A and B, both the parts, you are supposed to use the identities. So dear children, these are the questions which you are supposed to solve. And after solving this test, you are supposed to send your solutions on the email ID on which you are sending the solutions these days. So do well, all the best. Thank you so much.